Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another unboxing video on Fortune Foam. This one is a Loot remix from August, and let's get this opened. And also, if you didn't know, I do make props and everything, so if you're into that kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe for that. Alright, so first thing we got are some shot glasses from Doom. That's kind of cool. Get those opened up in a little bit. And we got some more socks. Some Wonder Woman socks. And some kind of a Mega Man muscle. Mega Man versus Shadow Devil. Lootcrate exclusive. It's kind of neat. And then we have a legendary crate Halo pin from the Halo crate. And that's it. Alright, let's check out these shot glasses. Alright, so they definitely aren't glass or porcelain or something. Pretty cool. Do not microwave. Cold liquids only. Okay, well, that's pretty much it for this. I mean, not a lot to it. Other thing I was going to do in this video was determine whether or not the remix crates are actually worth it versus just your regular Loot crate. Honestly, they're about $5 cheaper than your actual crate, you know, depending on whether or not you have any little discount or coupon codes for it. But I've gotten two so far, and from what I could tell, they seem to be worth it to me. If you're not sure about it, I recommend getting like a remix first, just to kind of get a little taste for it. Or if you want to get a gift for somebody, you're not sure what to get them, you know, as long as they don't already get a Loot Crate subscription, I think a remix would be a pretty cool idea for that as well. But overall, I definitely think it's worth it. But besides that, I mean, I ain't got much else for you. I actually didn't plan on getting this remix crate, but I just got sidetracked, forgot to cancel before the next billing date, so I got another one. But not a big deal. I was able to unbox something for you guys. So anyways, if you like what you saw, leave a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe. I got other videos on the way soon. You know, I got some more props coming, another cosplay build as well. But other than that, I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.